Yo, welcome back to Containing Luxury. On this episode, we're going to be touring our 40-foot container. Let's get started. Okay, so we are officially in our cool showroom. That used to be our factory. If you've been following us, not even that long ago, this was our factory. We're building in this small space, 7,000 square feet. But now we have these cool 40-foot containers in here set up that you get to actually see. So starting off with this beautiful entryway, we have impact rated, hurricane rated, if that's more familiar with you, door systems on everything. All of our windows, doors on all of our products, even the base model, are all gonna be impact rated. In this case, it's also insulated glass, which helps with the energy efficiency. And if you come on in, you can now see that we officially offer a full appliance package that can go into our kitchens, where you have the workstation. So this is our premium model. You're gonna get the workstation sink because there's obviously countertop space is slightly limited. And you've got your pull-out faucet. You've got quartz countertops, full residential, regular appliance package. This is an addition. It does not come with it, but you can add it and we ship it with all the appliances. Full-size fridge, full-size microwave. And this would be your living area where you kind of either put a futon or something. You can use this as an additional bedroom if you wanted to. Some people have even opted to build lofts in so that your couch could be underneath and then you got a lofted bed area up here. We don't do those customizations, but the whole concept of what we're trying to accomplish is that we give it to you built enough that you can move in today, but not so built that you can't customize it yourself and really make it what you want. So we kind of come into this area. Ryan already shot by. We got a washer dryer connection point right there. Then you got your full-size fridge. Now we're in our big bathroom. I don't know if you guys have ever been in big 46-foot RVs, but I own one. And my shower is tiny, my toilet is tiny. This is full residential grade stuff. So we've got a full regular residential toilet. You got a big closet space and full 48-inch vanity, technically 49-inch vanity. And then the biggest thing that I love, and anyone that's ever stepped foot into an RV, is this is a full residential size shower. So, you know, I'm not that big of a guy, but I barely fit in RVs. So to have a full shower, that was a must. This is the same size shower that comes on all of our models. So whether you get a 20-foot tiny home, you're still gonna get the big shower. But wait, before we go any further, if you haven't and you've been following us, we are officially live on Start Engine. If you want to join us in the success of this company, make sure to hit the link in the description. Go check out our Start Engine campaign. For only $3.99, you can be a part of the journey of investing in Containing Luxury and being a co-owner and help us build this thing to the next level. So we can get this product out to even more hands all across the entire country and building new facilities. All right, back to the video. And then now we're in the master bedroom, which has the Pioneer inverter mini split system. Everything that should be top of the line is top of the line inside these units. Ultra high efficiency, ultra resilient name brand model that you're gonna wanna use for stuff like that. And then again, impact rated glass on everything. And then you got this cool entry door, which is an option. Some people opt to have that entry door, others do not. But you can just take a look at the quality of this thing. I mean, it is top notch, built to last. You know, we want it to be the James Bond durability tank housing that we could be, to be somehow meeting that cost effective, affordability, energy efficient, and super strong. Because again, we're building down here in South Florida. We get hurricanes all the time and we want to make sure all the people that buy our product can trust that this is the safest thing they can possibly be in when those storms come. So that's all for the 40-foot tour. Make sure to hit the like button, or if there isn't a like button, maybe love it. I don't know, maybe this is Instagram. I don't even know where it's going on. Maybe it's everywhere. But make sure to check out the link in the description or in the bio. And if you're interested, come tour our facility anytime you want. Look up Containing Luxury on Google, Google Maps, everywhere. Pretty much you'll find us. All right, Containing Luxury in our showroom, we gotta get back to work.